Dear students, today we're going to begin with an exercise which we call as PPT2 Lecture 8. Now, what are we going to do in this? We're going to call candidates to come forward, give a picture presentation, gain an impression of the entire thing they have to speak, and thereafter, with a pause, they will give the lecture 8. So this exercise, not only these candidates will do here, but the candidates watching us, particularly the soldiers in the borders, have to do this. In case you get out of ideas, I will advise you that you first create a PPT in front of you. You can put it and try to speak. And once you're done with it, remove it and then speak confidently in your lecturate. Remember, in all your lecturates, you've got to speak like there, not move my hands like me. And when you begin, respected sir and my dear friends, I'd like to speak few words on and confidently speak. You can now and then use your hands now and then, but not regularly. And once you do this, I'm sure you will be able to speak for 2 to 3 minutes, and this will multiply your confidence. Remember 3 points which are very important. Keep your body posture calm and composed. Number 1. Number 2, be loud and clear. And number 3, in your minds, sequentially speak on different aspects and try to complete it. Enjoy your impression and daily improve on this. This is what we really want from you. Now, this exercise for few of you students who are reasonably picked up, we will allow them, and for the others, we will record later once they come up to the mark. I hope this is clear to everyone. Best of luck. Please apply this and learn from these demonstrations of few of the students. God bless you. Thank you.
Good morning, respected sir and my dear friends. My name is Utraj Rathore, and today I am going to show you a PPT on a hydrogen gas. As we go further, let us discuss about what is the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen can be classified into the different types based on its production method. First of all, we will discuss about the hydrogen gas. It is the smallest molecule consisting of a single electron and a proton, and it has no neutron in its nucleus. And it is the element that is found in the air in less quantity, but in the ocean it has a huge amount of hydrogen gas in the molecule of water. So we should produce hydrogen from the water. So the production is introduced in this as production wise, the gray hydrogen, blue hydrogen and yellow hydrogen and green hydrogen is introduced, in which the green hydrogen is produced using renewable energy sources. The renewable energy sources are the sources which does not extinct from the earth, and they are evergreen resources. And we go further, such as wind as solar power. In the wind, we used wind turbine, windmills, and solar power we use solar cell, which splits water into the hydrogen gas. As we know, electricity is produced with the help of windmill and the solar cell, and due to the electricity, we flow electricity inside the water, and this procedure separates the water molecule into the two molecules having oxygens and hydrogen. Oxygen is released into the air and hydrogen is stored in the vessels. It is the most sustainable type of hydrogen and eco-friendly because its production does not result in any carbon emission. And we move further. Green hydrogen is currently expensive to produce compared to gray and blue hydrogen. However, advancement in technology and increased investment in renewable energy are expected to reduce the cost. As we know, the technology is grown up, so the investors are taking interest in this field. So they invest their money, or with the help of money, there is a lot of research can be done in this field. So it may cost less in the future. The cost is expected to fall below approximate $2 per kilogram by 2030. The green hydrogen will be used in various areas, including powering zero emission cars, buses and trucks, in transportation, making steel, cement and chemical in this industry. Without fossil fuels, fossil fuels are the fuels which are taken from the fossil fuels, just like petroleum and coal. Storing energy from wind and solar power for electricity, providing clean heating for the homes and buildings, and fueling ships and planes in the cleaner way. What is the National Green Hydrogen Mission? The National Green Hydrogen Mission was launched in January 2023 with the aim of positioning India as a global leader in green hydrogen production. As we know, India is the world's biggest importer of the crude oil, and the dependency of the crude oil of India is a great impact on the foreign reserve of India. So India want to become a super power on this field of producing green hydrogen. Under the mission, the government gives initiatives to encourage investment in green hydrogen projects. It also provides funding for research and development efforts to improve the efficiency and reduce the cost of hydrogen production technologies. Moreover, it builds essential infrastructure such as hydrogen refueling stations and pipelines to support the widespread use of hydrogen gas in transportation, industry and power sectors. As we go further, additionally, the mission promotes international collaborations to exchange knowledge and best practices in hydrogen technology. So, in every field, technology is important, and every country has its technology. So, if we exchange our technology, the new things will be added in this particular project, so that we can enhance the efficiency of this project. As of 2024, the Indian government has announced an investment of rupees 19,744 crores for the National Green Hydrogen Mission. This funding aims to develop a green hydrogen production capacity of at least 5 million metric tons as per annum by 2030. It also targets to development of 125 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity to support the production of green hydrogen. Benefits of the hydrogen mission: by reducing greenhouse gases emissions, the mission contributes to global climate goals and supports India's commitment under the Paris Agreement. In this Paris Agreement, all countries took their interest in the conserving the fossil fuel and reduce the use of fossil fuel, as the emission will be decreased and the greenhouse gases will not be produced, so the temperature of our atmosphere will not increase, so the glaciers will not molten down. As we go further, by shifting towards domestic production of green hydrogen, India can significantly reduce its reliance on imported oil and natural gas, which are subject to volatile global prices and geographical risks. The green hydrogen industry is expected to generate new jobs and stimulate economic growth through investment in technology and infrastructure. As a conclusion, by focusing on green hydrogen production from renewable energy sources like wind and solar power, India aims to reduce its dependence on imported fossil fuels, because it increases the lack in the foreign reserve of India, enhance national energy security, and mitigate the environmental impact on greenhouse gases emission. The National Green Hydrogen Mission aims to make India as a major player in the global hydrogen economy. As we go for the lecturate, and my dear friends, now I will go for the lecturate for this topic. As we go to the history, we see a human being invented a wheel, and for this invention he made a carriage, and it made its transportation easy. And after a long inventions in this field, this made a huge revolution in the life of human being. After a long time, a scientist named James Watt made an engine, For the help of this engine, human made a powerful and more motorable vehicle. But this engine needs fossil fuel named diesel, and the combustion of this diesel in the engine it generated the carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon dioxide. These all gases are the greenhouse gases, and it produces the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is known as the increase in the temperature of the atmosphere. As the temperature is increased, the glaciers are molten down and the level of the sea increasing day by day. The coastal cities are sinking more and more by day. After this, there are many environmental lacks for this emission. So all countries needs to tend to the electric vehicle and hydrogen powered vehicle, because the combustion of hydrogen gas develops a water, because hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen and produces the molecule of water. So the no harmful emission is created. So this will make the environment clear and the earth clean. So we should take the place in this field. Thank you.